Go! Okay pa ba?
Is that word?
Okay, gumagana pa siya.
Where? Going!
Like that.
Mom wants to take a photo with you. Go. Stop it. Harley, go back.
Harley, are you ready? Yeah, since wala ka pang visa expired, dito na ka muna mag-Disneyland. Where is
This
it?
is the fan-keeping country.
Where is it ba? Nasabi mo. Sige, okay lang yan. Okay lang yan.
I can see it.
What? Ayan na, Harley. Remember you were a kid? Harley! Hindi. Harley! There, oh! Disneyland! Wow! We're here na. So, pakita mo naman yung mga playmates natin today. Ayan o, si Galing. Moment ko, parang. Na-enjoy yung gusto. Sige, hubaran mo yung mama mo. Sige. Hubaran mo. Taas mo pa. Yan. Ayan na, tinataas na niya, guys. Ayan na, ayan na.
Wait, why do I feel like
It's sweaty inside.
the germs?
Sumama ka na.
Thanks, Daddy.
Yay!
There you go.
1, 2, 3. Say thank you to Father.
Thank you, Father.
Thank you. You're joining us. Is she excited? It is nice.
2 hours drive.
Yeah. The driver and the tagabayad.
Where's the car?
Grabe ka naman.
Buddy, soon for your time.
Ay, smile. Hindi ka sali.
One of the most things I'm super excited about is the roller skates. I can't wait to bump Harley.
Ito, nilalagay ito sa bunganga, Johnny, ha? Dito. Guys, ito po nilalagay po saan? Dito sa bunganga.
Wala ganun di kasi
Sa bunganga daw eh. Braces. Yan. Try mo nga. Yan. For the whole time, ganyan ka, ha? Teka.
Like, you know who said that?
Eurasia! Come here. Akin na yung arms mo.
I said arm.
Wrist. Guys.
I'm gonna bring my phone.
Guys, yung shoes daw. Kuya, walang lock to. Talagang ganyan lang. Shoes lang talaga. Pwede tao. Bye! Bye! So,